The Yangtze River is the longest river in Asia, and the third longest on the planet, after the Nile and the Amazon. It stretches 3,915 miles long from Qinghai to the East China Sea. One of the major effects on the people of Asia of the Yangtze River is the Three Gorges Dam. When it is completed, it will be the largest hydroelectric powered station in the world. Its 32 generators, with a capacity of 700 megawatts apiece, will provide 22,500 megawatts to the people of Asia. The Yangtze River also provided a system of irrigation, which made agriculture very stable and productive in Asia. The Persian Gulf is a small body of water located in southwest Asia. Because of the high temperature, the salt level in the Persian Gulf is as high as 40%. The Persian Gulf and its coastal areas are the world's largest single source of crude oil, providing jobs and bringing money to the people of southwestern Asia. Temperatures are high, but winters are very cool at the northwestern parts of the Persian Gulf.
The Gobi Desert consumes an arc of land 500,002 square miles throughout northern and northwestern China and southern Mongolia. It's the fifth largest desert in the world and the largest desert in Asia. The Nemegt Basin in the northwestern part of the Gobi Desert is famous for its fossil treasures, including early mammals, dinosaur eggs, and even prehistoric stone implements, some 100,000 years old. About 80 kilometers from the Chinese border into Mongolia, large copper and gold deposits are being mined. Grasslands have been degraded by goats raised by nomadic herders for their cashmere wool. Desertification and dust storms consistently on the southern edge of Mongolia into China overtakes 1,390 square miles of grassland every year. Average winter minimals are a frigid -40 degrees Fahrenheit, while summertime temperatures can be as high as 112 degrees Fahrenheit. Most of the precipitation falls during the summer. The Himalayas are a mountain range in Asia separating the Indian subcontinent from the Tibetan Plateau. It's the world's highest mountain range. The climate ranges from tropical at the base of the mountains to permanent ice and snow at the highest elevations. The Himalayan range encompasses about 15,000 glaciers, which store about 12,000 kilometers cubed of fresh water and contains hundreds of scattered lakes. The mountains prevent frigid, dry Arctic winds from blowing south into the subcontinent, which keeps South Asia much warmer than near-temperate regions in the other continents. They also form a barrier for the monsoon winds, keeping them from traveling northwards and causing heavy rainfall in the Terai region. Some of the world's major rivers, including the Indus and the Yangtze, rise in the Himalayas, and their combined drainage basin is home to some 1.3 billion people. The Himalayas have also hindered trade routes and prevented military expeditions from crossing its hazardous terrain.
The Yellow River is known for its consistent flooding. It has flooded 1,593 times in the last 4,000 years. The main course of the river has changed 12 times. Many governments and dynasties, such as the Zheng dynasty, is said to have fallen after major flooding occurred in 11 AD. The flatness of the North China Plain also contributes to the deadliness of the floods. In 1887, a flood in this area caused 900,000 people to die. Many dams have been built on the Yellow River, but due to the high concentration of silt, the dams are not expected to last very long. On a more positive side, water diverted from the river as of 1999 served 140 million people and irrigated 48,000 square miles of land. The 7 largest hydroelectric power plants on the Yellow River have the total installed capacity of 5,600 megawatts. The climate of the regions around the Yellow River are milder and significantly stabler.